Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, what is going on? So I just wanted to give you guys an update on my Loc journey. I am currently a year and 8 months in, and there's a few things I would like to discuss because there's some things that nobody told me before starting my Loc journey, and I think it would be very helpful for some other people that decide to start their Loc journey. So one thing I don't really like about mine is some of them are like the sizing. Like this one is one whole lock when this could have been like 2 or 3, and it just messes up the whole aesthetic. I also have another one over here. It's like, what, I don't know what kind of way she parted it, but like before you start your locks, make sure you know what size, how you want the parts and all that, because it's very crucial. It's very important. Once they actually start to lock and you see the sizes of them, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? Also, some of them are like really painful when I like move it a certain way, and I don't know what that's about. It's like the strands are like not supposed to be inside of that lock or something, so it's like pulling, like inside the strand is like pulling, and it's the most painful thing ever, and I don't know what to do. It's like, do you cut the strands that are like pulling? Oh my god, look at my, let me cover that back up. I don't know what to do about that. So if you have any advice for me, that would be great. Also, make sure you wrap your hair at night, because if you don't, you will have lint for days, okay? Lint for days. And lint is not, look at this, like it's not cute. Somebody might think you have lice or something. You don't. What is that? Make sure that you are keeping your hair, well, your locks, hydrated. I usually use a spray bottle with water and like a couple of natural oils like tea tree. I think I put castor oil in there. And do not use conditioner, because that shit builds up and it causes so much buildup. Other than that, like, this journey has been pretty awesome. It's been pretty, I saved so much money on hair products. I saved so much time. I'm not spending 2 hours doing my hair anymore. I can literally just get up and go, and it's amazing. And I'm loving it. Highly recommend it. I give it a 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10 because I do miss the versatility of my natural hair. Like, I could get braids to the scalp, I could get like a ponytail, it's just so many other things that you can do with natural hair that you can't do when you have locks. But other than that, I'm loving the journey. If you want to have curly ends, make sure that you do not let them lock up. You literally have to detangle them every single chance you get, otherwise they will lock up. You have to detangle them and put like a leave-in conditioner or something so that they'll curl like this, instead of turning into a lock. Like it's like every day, probably every morning, either comb or brush, hydrate them with water and oil, and then put some leave-in conditioner on the ends, and you'll be good to go. I started my locks because, which I already previously mentioned in a video 8 months ago, but I'm gonna just say it anyways because I don't know if you've seen that video, but since we here today on this new day, on another day, on a new year, in a new month, in a new week, I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you I started my loc journey because I wanted to save money. I wanted to save money. I wanted to save time, and I wanted to like feel more like connected to like my roots, my ancestors, and because you know hair is antenna, so it's like yeah, I wanted to be more connected, and also it's helping me so much on my self-love journey because previously when I didn't have locks, I was always trying to figure out like what wig I was gonna wear next, what hairstyle I was gonna do next, what this and that, and it's like, no, love yourself and your hair as it is. Like, you don't have to put anything over your hair. You already have beautiful locks, you already have beautiful hair, so why are you doing that? But it's definitely been a journey because I still have times where I want to switch it up, but then I just look at myself in the mirror and I just see the growth, and I'm just like, yeah. If you have any questions, feel free, leave a comment, ask me whatever you like, and I will respond accordingly. Mwah.